In you, we've got back squat. Man's talking to the camera. Let me perform here. Right, back squat. We are gonna work up to 3 rep max, not 3 rep max, 5 rep max, 6 rep max. So, let's go. Right, shock to kg. Maybe for you. Okay. Very good. Last night was rough. Had a wake. Yeah, so I had a wake yesterday and I was working all day and I didn't get the chance to go to the gym, so I got home at like 9 and had 2 sessions to do. So I did like a 40-minute ab workout, which was rough, a lot of rest, and then went for like an hour walk. You know, which sucked, but I felt like David Goggins, so. Shaw, Kid, see him? Get him? Yeah, we're going for 5 reps. Yep. Shaw, Kid, Shaw. You're actually at a tree, me and Keeping both are going to squat this? No. To Keeping, the spotter. Remember, hello. Hello. Shaw, Kid, Traha. We're going for 3 reps. Okay, ready? Okay, come on now. Yeah, baby. Right away in the animal and ads now. Jana was tree wide the trum. So there's a Mahan Shaw. Where are we? Clint Shaw. Like the shin trum. Jana said Shea Hanny. And then Marv Agan shin Wadney's Edgerma. What we're going to failure. Just don't get the damage there, you know. I was nuts until
my shoe nearly come off, it's untied.
you didn't do it there. Like the
Couldn't have gone any slower.
But I mean, your pace stayed the whole time, and then the cut. Right. Right. Good. Good. Right. One more, one back. Good. Great.
Just mar jury occur leis an seachtain seo. Seachtain anhaithe bheith an mé ansoltas ach ní bhfuair mé mórn. Ní anna mé mórn tafadaí. Seachas Beidirn an seantarrógam agus mé ag trénal. Sin seachtain seo rih. Seachtain frícinnithis Portland na Hearn. So bhí muid angréithach agus bhí mé a bhhad níos gréithach. Is it níos gré? Is there some Guinness Jack would say níos gréichi? I don't know. Bhí mé a bhhad níos... Bhí mé... Fuck. Bhí mé níos gréithach? Bhí mé níos gréithach? Oh, that's gonna annoy me. An seachtain seo chaite, or seo hugin. Tá sé actually an seachtain sé chaite dús in is, but sure, whatever. Yeah, when mé ansoltas, the sub go rinse of ansalt. Chiefy an seachtain seo hugin for chunne. Seachtain a cahar, seachtain cúig jagger.